Hello everyone, this is a quick demonstration of this package called VAANA, which uses LLM for data visualization. So just a quick run through of how this VAANA AI architecture works. So based on the user query and based on the context documents, which is the database schema and the documentation which we have created for KPIs, and some examples of how SQL queries and their questions look like. This is taken into the prompt for along with the chosen LLM, and this is used to create the SQL query, which is executed on our SQL database engine. And in the result, we get SQL queries, charts, and the corresponding data frame. Based on the answer, we can either modify the SQL query and ask it for the charts and data frame again. So this is in a quick, brief manner how the architecture of VAANA package works. Now the VAANA package can either be used in your Python environment for setting by customizing it as you require. But just for this purpose of demo, we are using the free UI provided by the VAANA package itself, just to understand how it works. So as I mentioned before, the training data is basically anything which helps the LLM to give answer more accurately. So for example, there's training data, what is the database name, and this is what the SQL query looks like. You can add training data, which is documentation or SQL query examples or DDL. And the next part is the for asking questions. So here we are dealing with the data set which is dealing with the music industry, having the sales records, artist name, genre names, etc. So for this, I asked few questions already. So I think this is a good example. So basically when I asked it for the first time, it gave me an answer without this. So when I asked it to change the format and give me the name of the artist also in the visualization, it was able to give me. So let's try one more. Let's say we can. This is just some kind of question recommendations, but you can ask whatever you want. So let's say which five cities have the most customers. So giving the SQL query, it's giving the city and it's giving the customer count. For example, if you want in bar chart, it gives bar chart based on the LLM output. But if you want to change it, so you can ask it saying that make it pie chart and then makes it a pie chart. So this is a brief understanding of how VAANA works. So VAANA is a powerful tool if you want to basically use LLM for your data analysis. And if it's used in its with respect to its API, we can customize it to connect it with your n number of databases and create your own Flask APIs that you can integrate it with your own websites. So that's it for this demo. Thank you.